this video, I'm going to explain the different elements that you can use in AWeber's drag and drop email builder. Now here's where we're going to add some of our elements. Now a lot of times people will use templates that have elements already pre-arranged on there, but I wanted to show you a blank canvas so I could explain what each element does. And the first element's the headline element, and this is just a headline, a piece of large text we can use to create different headlines in our emails. The paragraph element is probably the element that you're going to use the most, and this element allows you to add space for text to be added. Within this space, we can change around font size or style, bold our text, or even link it. The article element is like a combination of different elements with a headline, some text, and also a place to put an image. Now any image element works the same, where you can upload your image, use the image gallery, or design your image on Canva. The image element is just like the element that we saw in the article element, where we can upload our own image, use the image gallery, or design on Canva. Again, when you start adding more and more images or using stock images, you'll grow your own personal image gallery. The video element allows you to add a link to your video. Just paste the link, and it'll create this video looking thumbnail so people in the email can click it and go watch your video. The button element adds a button to your email where you can change around the text and then link that button, as well as change around a bit of the styling. The social element makes it easy for your subscribers to share your email. You can customize which social platforms appear, as well as the design of the icons. The product element is kind of like that article element we saw earlier, a combination of different elements with an image, a link, some text, and a button. The coupon element allows you to add a little bit of a design piece to your email that looks like a coupon. We can change around the styling of that coupon and how those borders look. And we can even change around the color. The logo element's very similar to the image element, and this helps us to add a logo to our emails. I actually have a logo in my own image gallery, so I can go over there, go to My Images, and grab the logo. The signature element allows you to easily craft a signature for your emails with an image and some information pulled from your list options. You can change this around though, you don't have to keep whatever's in here. Again, I've got a great image we can add to our signature to really round it out. The divider element allows us to add a stylized divider to our emails, helping us to divide sections of content. We can change around how this divider line looks, or even create an invisible divider line just to add a little bit of extra spacing. The share element is linked to more info on your list options page. You can edit some of that information over here on the right. The row element is what you're going to add other elements into, and you can create as many different rows as you'd like. The carousel element allows you to create a carousel of images. This is only if you have AMP approved emails that you're sending. Click the link to learn a little bit more about AMP and email. Finally, the feed element allows you to add your blog's RSS feed, easily adding your blog content directly to your emails. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in AWeber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.